Across all inventory transactions, including inventory receipts, you'll now find a single row per line detail grid with configurable columns that can be tailored to your unique workflow. This means less clutter and more focus on the important information that matters most. To hide or show columns, simply open the Options menu, select Show Columns, and choose which columns are important to you. For example, if you don't track separate vendor product IDs, you can remove the column from the grid. Acctivate version 12.2 also makes it easier to quickly move inventory between warehouses. You can do this by loading a posted inventory receipt, transfer, or assembly session. For example, let's say you've received a shipment into your East Coast warehouse and now it's cleared customs and needs to be moved in its entirety to another warehouse. Simply select the receipt to be transferred, and the original receipt's details will populate into the transfer window. As you can see, Acctivate version 12.2 is focused on efficiency and ease of use.